January of 2012, Metro Vancouver staff began installing ashtrays in the new designated smoking areas in regional parks.
The smoking policy approach is generally based on the healthy parks, healthy people principle. Smoking brings a number of risks to the land that we're here to steward. The obvious one of fire risk. The other issue is the cigarette butts.
Cigarette butts are by far the largest category of litter picked up from Lower Mainland beaches during the annual Great Canadian Shoreline Cleanup. Volunteers pick up 3 times as many cigarette butts as any other item.
They can be toxic and yet attractive to small wildlife and birds. They sometimes think it's a food source. There's studies in the States where there's been deleterious and fatal effects to some wildlife because of eating the butts.
The health risk to humans is obvious.
Well, of course, it's the risk of exposure to secondhand smoke. It's been well documented that any exposure to secondhand smoke is non-beneficial to people.
The new designated smoking areas are usually adjacent to parking lots, with the idea that people arriving at a park will have one last chance before entering areas where smoking is prohibited.
We wanted to provide designated smoking areas where we thought there would be smokers that needed to be accommodated. The risk of secondhand smoke is mostly around busy areas where people congregate. So it's beaches, playgrounds, reservable buildings, picnic shelters. We tried to make our designated smoking areas away from those places, but close enough so that people that were attending those facilities or partaking in those activities had a place to go.
Park staff are looking forward to the day they no longer have to do this nasty job, picking up cigarette butts by hand. Here at White Pine Beach in Belcarra Regional Park, this task gets done every day.
Jeez, there's a lot this morning.
And already, the evidence shows that some people are using the designated areas. Park staff hope that trend will continue as park users buy into the concept, noting that eventually, smoking anywhere in regional parks will likely be banned.
We're hoping that this ban will give people that come to our parks a sense of certainty that they can have the great experience that they want, that they can have clean air, a great park experience, watch the birds, do whatever activity that makes them healthy and happy in a smoke-free environment.